Hey guys, it's Riri and welcome back to my channel. It's running. What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am alive. I'm back. I'm so sorry for that I have not posted for a whole month. I am back with this lovely Valentine's Day look. This pink look, although I hate pink, but I love how this turned out. I thought I'd create something for Valentine's Day since it is coming up, and I can't wait for you guys to, go out there and show me all of your looks. Yeah, I have been MIA because last month was my birthday. I turned 20 on the 20th of January. If you guys didn't see that, check out my vlog channel. Put it up right here, or I think right here. I don't know where the information button is, but you'll find it. It was so exciting and I got really sick. That's why I have not posted. But anyway, I'm not gonna blabber anymore. If you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, I am finally back. Well, anyway, to get straight on with the video, I put up a poll on my Instagram story like 2 hours ago, which is today is February 8th, as you're wondering. So I put up a poll on Instagram saying that I want to create some looks for you guys, and basically I'll put it up right here if you guys see what I'm talking about. So I said I want to create some looks for you guys, so I put up a poll if you guys want to see a Valentine's Day glam or an anti-Valentine's Day. And so far, Valentine's Day glam has got 62%, as you guys can see right here, and anti-Valentine's Day got 38%, which I'm kind of shook because I expected you guys to see that you guys want a actually anti-Valentine's. Anyway, so that's what I want to do. So for my Valentine's Day glam, I'm actually really inspired by Miss Maggie Lindemann herself. I found this picture on her Instagram and I just fell in love with it. I'll also put the picture right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I love her. I love this makeup look. I just thought it's so pink, so pretty. Although I'm not a pink person, I'm not really a fan of the color pink, but I thought I'd do it for you guys. Valentine's Day is like right around the corner. But I'm gonna do this look inspired by Maggie Lindemann, just something inspired with a little bit of a twist, because why not? I want to do something with a twist, but yeah. Alright guys, so starting off with my eyes, I'm going to be going in with the Huda Beauty palette, the Rose Gold palette, because it's a classic. And I'm going to be starting off with the color Shy as my transition color because we want to, be able to diffuse since we're going to be going in with a lot of pinks. But yeah, I'm going to be using the color Shy, and I'm going to be using a Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. Wait, no. Base Shadow Brush. I'm sorry. Alright guys, so after putting on that transition shade on my eyes, you can see it's such a pretty pink kind of transition color, and that's what's going to help us blend on dark colors, because when you have a dark color, they're really bad. Anyway, I'm going to be moving on to the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. You can see me switching on from one palette to another. I'm going to be taking the color Amethyst, and I'm going to apply that all throughout my crease to my outer corner because I'm darkening it. I know it's kind of like a purplish color, but I'm gonna really try to darken it up, and I'm gonna lighten it up later on. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit from going in from the outer corner, a little bit towards the crease. Not too much, just a little bit of product. Right, so we have blended everything, and I really am liking it. Now I'm gonna move back to the Rose Gold palette. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but I'm just moving on from switching palettes. I'm gonna be taking the color Flamingo. Now this color is a hot pink color, and apply that all over like the center of the lid a little bit, and like a little bit above under the crease and not on the crease. I just want to make it really pink because I don't want it to be very dark. I want it to be too Valentine's Day. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Oh, and I'm going to be taking it with a flat brush, so yes. Alright guys, so you see how amazing this pink is. It's so pink. I have never ever done a pink look. I'm so excited. But anyway, moving on. I'm going to be taking the color Justify My Love by the Nika Tutorials and the Too Faced palette. I'm gonna just be applying it a little bit towards my inner corner onto the center of my lid with the same brush that I had for the flamingo. So yes. Okay, you guys, so after applying everything, I am so, like, check it out. I am so in love with this. It's just so simple and yet so pink. So next I'm going to be moving on to mascara. Moving on to mascara, I'm going to be using my trusty old Benefit Roller Lash, Benefit Varial Mix Apply Beautiful. These are my go-to. I can never switch mascaras. If these ever go discontinued, I will probably die and never use mascara ever again. So yeah, I'm gonna put this and yeah. Mascara is done, everything is in. So for lashes, I'm gonna be putting in these like 3D lashes. I love how they look like, so I'm gonna pop these on. So I'll be back. Alright guys, lashes are on. Sorry, sun's going down. I went for a lunch break, but anyway, I ended up changing the lashes. I'm wearing the Kiss Ritzy lashes. I think they look stunning. Like, can you just see what I'm talking about? They're so natural, so pretty. I love these lashes, so I ended up changing them because the other ones were very like narrowed down, where I wanted someone to be more fluttery and more sweet. So yeah guys, so after that, moving on to my face. I am going to be priming my face using the Benefit Professional Primer, and it is just my absolute favorite. So yeah. Next, after priming, I'm going to be going in with my Fenty foundation. I love this foundation. It's amazing. It's completely full coverage. I'm in the color 350 and yeah. Alright guys, foundation is blended. You guys will think I look more orange, but this is actually my foundation shade. Anyway, for concealer, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. You guys know I use this in every single video. And I'm going to apply it everywhere. And it's in the shade medium. I'll also be blending it with my beauty blender. And sorry, I get emails, so yeah. Alright guys, so I blended off the concealer. My camera keeps moving left and right, I don't know why. But anyway, I'm going to be setting my concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I finally bought it. Oh my god, I've been trying it for the past 3 weeks and a half, actually a month, and I fell in love with it. Like, holy crap. Now I know what the hype is all about. But anyway, I'm going to be setting it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm also going to be setting my entire face with the Sephora mattifying 8-hour powder. You guys know the drill. My drill. So yeah. And we gon' live it up 'cause we never got to. If you need a little lights with a Cali sun got you. Sweat I'm way too high up for LA vibes. There's a glass to the life that we're living one time. Alright guys, so after setting my face, I'm gonna be going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette, and the color, I'm going to be taking these actually two first color, which is Subconscious and Shadow Play. I'm going to as my contour because I love a strong contour. I mean, for Valentine's Day, you have to look snatched. You have to look bomb. You have to look great for that little special someone, or for your own self even, or your own Valentine. Like, I'm my own Valentine, so yeah. Gotta snatch them cheekbones. Alright guys, so after contouring and snatching my cheekbones and my temples, I am just going to be taking my Kiko Milano bronzer in Technical Honey. I'm going to bronze around my face a little bit to warm it up and to blend in the contour. I'm also be taking this big fluffy brush that's like very fluffy, and I'm also going to blend in the contour with the bronzer because I ran out of my Too Faced one, so I'm gonna cry. Alright guys, continuing on with my face, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. contouring and blush powder in St. Lucia, and I'm going to be taking this lovely blush and applying it all over my apples. I hate blush. I don't like blush. I've never worn blush. This is going to be my first time wearing it on camera, so let's do it. Alright, so to finish off the eyes, I'll move on later to the glow. I'm going to be taking the same color Flamingo that I use on my eyelids. I'm going to use it down on my lower lash line. Can really tie this lovely Valentine's Day look together. I was about to fall off my chair, but anyway, to finish off the eyes, I'm going to be going in with my Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic Palette. I'll be taking the color Pink Opal and just putting a little bit in my inner corner because I really want it to be that statement, so yeah. Alright you guys, so you can see the eyes, they look freaking fantastic. I love this eye. Anyway, my camera's gonna die, but anyway, for the glow, I am thinking of going with the Anastasia Moonchild. So let's see how this goes. Oh god. I'm gonna be taking the color Pink Heart and I'm gonna be applying it on as a glow. I'm using this Sephora Pro highlight brush. I changed my highlighting brush and I am in love. Completely in love. So yeah, glow time. Dreaming of a life like this. You hate me now, and I feel the same way. You love me now, and I feel the same way. Scream and we shout, and make up the same day. Live it up, 'cause we never got to. If you need a little light. Alright guys, so final step, the lips. I'm gonna be taking the color Medusa by Huda Beauty, and I'm going to be taking the color I'm Shook by Jeffree Star. I'm going to mix these on the back of my hand, as you guys can see. I'm going to apply that. I'm going to charge my battery really quick, so yeah. Alright you guys, so I did the lips. I thought I'd do something more muted since the eyes are so crowded, so I don't know, might add a little bit more pink, but I love it the way it is. Final step, setting spray, and we're gonna be done. Alright you guys, and that concludes this Valentine's Day pink eye, I don't know, glowy skin tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I promise I'll upload more. I love you guys so much. Happy Valentine's Day. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please you guys don't forget to follow me on my Snapchat, which I'll put right here, and my Twitter and my Instagram and all my social media platforms. You can always interact with me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys never miss a post. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!